Hey guys, welcome back to another wig laying video. This wig is being sponsored by YWigs. This is their Kinky 360 lace frontal wig. So I've never glued my wig down using like real live hair glue. You know, I've always used like the Got2B glue or an elastic band or nothing at all. So I decided to order the Bold Hold lace frontal glue, and I decided to try it out for the first time in this video. So if you're interested in how I glued this wig down, keep on watching. Alright, so I went on ahead and bleached this frontal off camera. If you don't want to bleach the frontal, of course, you can just use like makeup or concealer, and that will do the trick. But I'm just showing you guys the parting space here. As you can see, you get a lot of parting space, and to be exact, you get 6 inches of parting space, whether you part your hair down the middle or you part your hair to the side. And to me, that is a big deal because you can pretty much style your hair any type of way and you're not going to have to worry about having a short part. And I also love the hairline on this wig. If you look closely, you'll notice there are a lot of dips and curves in this wig. This is a major key to getting a natural looking wig when you install the wig on your hairline. Also, when it comes to plucking your wig, there's 2 different types of tweezers that you can use. I honestly think I like the Revlon scissor tweezers a little bit more because it takes out more hair compared to your traditional tweezers, but either one will get the job done. So I'm going to go in and pluck the hairline. I also like to pluck my hairline when my frontal is slightly wet, just because it allows me to see where I need to pluck more or where I might need to pluck a little less at. Now, because this wig is super thick, the density on this wig is 180%, I'm going to get a lot of hair when it comes to plucking, so I pretty much expected that. But as you can see, when you wet the hair, it does have some texture to it where it looks like little small crimps. Moving on to the wig install, instead of using the Got2B glue gel, I'm actually going to be using the Eco Styling gel. I believe the Got2B glue is just way too strong for my hairline. So I'm going to apply this all over and then blow dry it until the stocking cap is completely dry. So I'm going to take a pair of scissors and I'm just going to cut the stocking cap up to my hairline, getting rid of the band that comes on the stocking cap. Now, the purpose of doing this is to basically get a more seamless look. So once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and move on to applying the Bold Hold glue. I'm only going to do 2 very thin layers, and I'm applying this directly on the stocking cap and not on my hairline because it will yank your entire edges out. So I'm going to take the end of my comb and I'm going to spread the glue out going down towards my face just to make sure it does not get in my hairline. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on, and I'm just making sure I'm laying it exactly where I want it to be. As long as you let the glue dry a little bit before applying the wig or applying another layer, you won't have to worry about the frontal turning white or anything like that. And this wig is really secured, so make sure you are putting it in the exact area you want it to be before you start pressing down on the wig. So I'm going to go in and cut a little bit more lace off of the wig. This is something that I prefer to do instead of cutting a whole lot off at the beginning. I like to cut more of the lace off once the wig is actually on my head. So if you notice that your frontal is looking a little light and it's not really blending into your skin, you can take some face powder and just take a brush and blend it right into the lace or the hairline so that it blends into your skin. Because the texture of this wig is yucky, the hair is super duper full, and it's also 180%. So this is a lot of hair that I am trying to tame right now. So I'm taking a blow dryer and I am just blow drying the hair to get the hair to be a little bit more manageable and not so big, because this is a lot of hair. So the hairline is looking really good. It looks melted at this point, but I'm going to go in and do my own little tweaking to the hairline and making it look a lot more natural. Honestly, I was thinking about flat ironing this hair, but then I was like, nah, I think for the first time I'm going to wear a yaki texture wig without applying like flat iron heat. So I'm just going to press out the roots of the wig just to make sure it's flat and it looks really, really pressed. I just love this look with the yaki texture wigs. So yeah, you guys already know I love yaki texture wigs, but this is a lot of freaking hair, like a lot. But it's super pretty and it's super full. So if you don't mind having big hair, you will love the density on this wig. All purchasing information will be below. I hope I did okay for this being my first like official glued down wig done by myself. Thumbs up this video if you like it. Don't forget to share it if you love it. And thanks for watching. Bye.